you also need some form of lighting, whether it be a lamp or on my blessing is I'm an affiliate with Olight torches, so I've got plenty of these ex-review lying around, and they're rechargeable, or like this one, this is based on a AAA battery, 2 powers, low and a high. This one here is based on AA battery, so that's not a rechargeable, that's an AA battery, which is really easy to source, a low and a high, very bright. And you go right up to sort of flagship models now. This like a Warrior goes from a moonlight setting and just pulses right through. Turbo, and everybody be aware now it's going to strobe. Okay, so it's got a sort of distress beacon as well if ever you were in trouble. So the higher models have that sort of thing, and it just so happens this Friday this one is on offer. This is the uprated version of this one here. This is a Warrior with a decent belt clip on it, so you can wear it on your belt. You can put that on a baseball cap that way, so it's a head torch as well. A very nice magnetic switch on the bottom, so you can put it onto things like that and shine down like the bonnet of a car. And this is on offer this week with a bundle. It's 40% off. I'll leave a link to Olight underneath, just in case anybody wants to take a plunge on that. But I would recommend Olight is a very reputable manufacturer of torches, and being rechargeable, you only got to use a USB off your laptop, and as you're working away or you're watching Netflix or whatever you're doing, this thing's getting a new lease of life as well. So make sure you've got a range of torches and ways to keep them topped up with power.